Tesla plans to reduce Model Y output at its Shanghai plant by more than 20% in December compared to the previous month, according to two people familiar with the electric vehicle giant's production plans. Welcome to First Class Tech, and in this video, we will take a look at the rumors about Tesla cutting December Model Y output at the Shanghai plant by more than 20%. Tesla's Shanghai plant's inventory level skyrocketed after the company completed an upgrade of its manufacturing facilities in the summer, with EV inventory increasing at its fastest rate ever in October. The American automaker reduced Model 3 and Model Y prices in China by up to 9% and offered insurance incentives, boosting November sales of its China-made vehicles by 40% over October and 89.7% over the previous year. Tesla's high inventory levels in Shanghai come at a time when China's auto market is experiencing slowing demand and disruptions in local supply chains. Uncertainty about when China will make a significant move to relax its dynamic zero-COVID strategy. It has clouded the outlook for the world's largest car market, though some Chinese cities have taken steps to ease some restrictions in response to recent protests. Tesla China has denied rumors of Gigafactory Shanghai production output cuts. Several media reports speculating that Tesla would cut production by up to 20% in Shanghai were deemed untrue by the company's China division. Just hours before Tesla announced over 100,000 vehicle sales in China in November, several media outlets reported that the company was considering cutting output at the China plant by 20% in December. The rumors about Tesla China production cuts began last Friday when Rob Moorer of Tesla Podcast stated that the company was considering cutting production by approximately 4,500 units per week beginning on December 11th. Moorer stated that the information came from a reliable source, but it had not been verified by a second source, and it was possible that it was false. Tesla was set to cut production targets by 20% across the plant, with no specific reason given, such as cooling demand. Model Y production at the plant would be reduced by 20%, but not overall vehicle production. Following the publication of the reports and Tesla's sales figure in China in November, notable bolts urged Musk to issue a statement regarding the alleged production cuts, which did not appear to align with the company's typical end-of-year moves. Following a request for a statement, Tesla China officially denied rumors of production cuts, calling them untrue. Tesla has routinely increased production rates at its factories near the end of the year in an effort to increase delivery numbers. By the way, if you are watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Now going back to the topic. Although competition in China has increased, Tesla's demand from countries that use China-built Model 3 and Model Y vehicles has not. Tesla's most recent indication of non-cooling demand for Chinese-built vehicles came this morning, with reports of more than 100,000 car sales in this month. Tesla was the second best-selling car company in China in November, trailing only BYD, which sold a record 229,942 units. Giga Shanghai's localization rate has now surpassed 95%. This has aided the country's efforts to build a world-class integrated industrial structure. Tesla China's rise coincides with the country's electric vehicle market finding its stride. While Tesla China's overall sales figure for November have been released, users are still waiting for a detailed breakdown of the EV maker's wholesale figures. Because November is the second month of the quarter, Tesla has allocated roughly half of its resources to exports during the month. December would be interesting because it would provide an indication of Shanghai's current capacity if it concentrated on the domestic market. The Tesla Model 3 sedan and Model Y crossover are currently produced at Gigafactory Shanghai. Elon Musk has stated that Giga Shanghai has effectively become the company's primary vehicle export hub, especially given that the facility is currently Tesla's largest EV production site by output. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What are your views about the Tesla Giga Shanghai? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this one. We will see you in the next video.